Seize the opportunity, embracing chances for success. Introduction. Welcome Reprogrammed Mindset listeners. In this audiobook, we will explore what it means to seize opportunities, how to identify them, and practical steps to embrace them for achieving success. Opportunities are all around us, but recognizing and acting on them is what sets successful people apart. Let's listen intently and learn how to make the most of every opportunity that comes your way. Chapter 1. Understanding opportunities. Opportunities are moments or situations that can lead to positive outcomes and personal growth. Definition. Opportunities are favorable circumstances that present a chance for progress or success. Perception. The ability to perceive opportunities depends on an open and proactive mindset. Types. Opportunities come in various forms, such as career advancements, personal growth, learning experiences, and networking chances. Potential. Every opportunity has the potential to change your life if you recognize and act on it. Chapter 2. Developing an opportunity mindset. Cultivating an opportunity mindset is key to recognizing and seizing chances for success. Positive attitude. Maintain a positive attitude and an optimistic outlook. Positivity helps you see possibilities rather than obstacles. Curiosity. Stay curious and open-minded. Curiosity leads to exploration and discovery of new opportunities. Flexibility. Be flexible and adaptable. Opportunities often come in unexpected forms and may require you to adjust your plans. Proactivity. Take initiative and be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Seek them out actively. Chapter 3. Identifying opportunities. Recognizing opportunities involves being aware of your surroundings and open to new possibilities. Awareness. Stay aware of your environment and the people around you. Opportunities often arise from everyday interactions. Networking. Build and maintain a strong network. Connections with others can open doors to new opportunities. Learning. Continuously seek knowledge and stay informed. Learning exposes you to new ideas and potential opportunities. Goal setting. Set clear goals and objectives. Knowing what you want helps you recognize opportunities that align with your aspirations. Chapter 4. Overcoming fear and doubt. Fear and doubt can prevent you from seizing opportunities. Acknowledge fear. Recognize your fears and understand that they are natural. Fear of failure or the unknown is common but can be managed. Positive self-talk. Use positive self-talk to boost your confidence. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations like, "I am capable of seizing this opportunity." Risk assessment. Assess the risks involved realistically. Understanding the risks can help you make informed decisions. Action plan. Create a clear action plan to tackle opportunities. Having a plan reduces uncertainty and builds confidence. Chapter 5. Taking action. Taking action is crucial to making the most of opportunities. Small steps. Start with small, manageable steps. Breaking down tasks makes them less overwhelming. Consistency. Be consistent in your efforts. Regular actions lead to progress and success. Resilience. Stay resilient in the face of challenges. Persistence and determination help you overcome obstacles. Accountability. Hold yourself accountable for your actions. Accountability ensures you stay committed to seizing opportunities. Chapter 6. Learning from failure. Failure is a part of the journey towards success and seizing opportunities. Reframe failure. View failure as a learning experience rather than a setback. Each failure teaches valuable lessons. Analyze. Analyze your failures to understand what went wrong and how you can improve. Adapt. Adapt your approach based on your analysis. Use the knowledge gained from failures to enhance your strategies. Resilience. Maintain resilience and don't give up. Many successful people have experienced failures before achieving their goals. Chapter 7. Building confidence. Confidence is essential for seizing opportunities and achieving success. Self-belief. Believe in your abilities and potential. Confidence starts with self-belief. Preparation. Prepare thoroughly for opportunities. Preparation builds confidence and reduces anxiety. Support system. Surround yourself with supportive and encouraging people. A strong support system boosts your confidence. Celebrate success. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Acknowledging your successes reinforces your confidence. Chapter 8. Creating opportunities. Sometimes, opportunities are not readily available, and you need to create them. Innovation. Be innovative and think outside the box. Creativity leads to the creation of new opportunities. Entrepreneurship. Consider entrepreneurial ventures. Starting a business or project can create numerous opportunities. Collaboration. Collaborate with others to create opportunities. Teamwork and partnerships often lead to new possibilities. Initiative. Take initiative in your workplace or community. Proactive contributions can lead to recognition and new opportunities. Conclusion. As this audiobook comes to an end, we must remember that opportunities are everywhere, waiting to be recognized and seized. By developing an opportunity mindset, identifying opportunities, overcoming fear and doubt, taking action, learning from failure, building confidence, and creating opportunities, you can unlock your potential and achieve the success you desire. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope this audiobook has provided you with valuable insights and practical tools to seize the opportunities in your life. Until next time, stay proactive, stay positive, and remember that you have the power to create your own opportunities and achieve your dreams. Be sure to take a moment to watch more of our audiobooks on the law of abundance, law of attraction, law of vibration, building confidence, manifestation, and more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, have nothing short of a fantastic day.